What's up, guys? This is a quick video to explain to you what is it like to work with Purple Fire. What is it like to work with me on an ongoing basis? We have lots of different services that we do for our clients day in, day out. That includes conversion rate optimization. We do that as an agency for large D2C brands. We also do landing page optimization. We do them from scratch. We optimize them all the time. We do probably 30 to 40 landing pages every single month. We also do development, which is sort of because we want to be full in-house. We basically want to make sure that there's no excuses that we can't deliver the best possible work. And the nature of doing landing pages and CRO as a service means that you're doing a lot of development as well. So I would say we also do a lot of Ecom development as our last service too. Now, if you want to work with us on conversion rate optimization, I can even show you here on my actual monitor here. We have that as a service, and we do that for D2C brands that are in the 7-figure range. So if you're doing 7 figures per year, you would potentially be a good fit for us. We do have a guarantee in there, which means that we'll promise a 3x return over 6 months of work. And we're probably one of the only agencies out there that actually do this, and we even add it into the agreement that we sign, so it's not just words. And that just means that we both have skin in the game, and you can be sure you're going to get out of this with a really great outcome. We also do landing pages, as I said. So we'll do standard landing pages for any kind of D2C brand or SaaS business. We charge $4.5K for that. You can find that on our website, as you can see. You go straight up in services under landing page services. And if you are part of our CRO Incubator community, there's a discount code inside of the community you can use to get $600 off, which is exclusively for the community. So if you want to take advantage of that, just use that code. Obviously, if you're interested in any of these things and you're like excited to move forward, I can take a call with you, or my team can, and we can talk about what it would be like to do a landing page, what it would be like for us to do a CRO on an ongoing basis with you. I think that's very important, so you have that option as well. Now, I just wanted to quickly show you some of the results we're getting for clients and what we're actually doing. So let me just show you my screen here. Quickly, I want to show you the audit that we're doing. So here is an audit of a client that we're working with, and you can see it's very extensive. So you can see it's massive. And we always do audits when we do CRO work for all our clients. That's because we want to dive into your data and understand what it is we're doing and how we can improve and stuff like that. What is the data actually telling us that we can improve on? So this is massive. You can see we're doing that consistently for all our clients, where we begin, and we'll usually deliver that in month 1 or month 2. We also do a massive sort of a activity report where we update you every single month with all the work we're doing. So you can see here, this is very extensive. You can see the kind of test we are setting up for our clients, and what it includes, why we want to do it, and so on and so on. So that's really cool, and that we do that just to keep everyone informed. We have had D2C brands ourselves, so we want to make sure that all our clients are actually happy with the work, and we know communication is super vital for that, and just showing what we're doing. We also jump on calls with all our clients every 2 weeks to explain what we're doing. You know, that's optional, but we just want to make sure that every client has the opportunity to meet with us, so we schedule ongoing calls every 2 weeks. Now, we also do a monthly update. Actually, we even show that in our bi-weekly calls, showing all the results that we're getting for our clients. So you can see here that we actually show off all the A/B tests we are running and how much revenue they are going to generate on a yearly basis. And you can see here this specific client, we're generating over $1 million a year for them. The return on investment for this is over 20x. So it's a really, really good deal to work with us. And the list just goes on. Here's another client where we generated about 800, and again, things are just going super, super well. We're doing a lot of tests. This is not even updated from May, so I think we're over $1 million here. Again, this is over 15x as well, and the list goes on. Here we can see 600 is a newer client, but we just got so many uplifts, and it's not even updated for May, and I know we got 2-3 wins here as well. And that's how we like to report data back to our customers. We want to show them the results. We want to show them what it means. We want to quantify things. We think there's so many vanity metrics out there, like look at this new design, or look at this additional add to carts, or look at this additional people that go onto your product pages. That doesn't mean anything unless we can back it up by actual numbers of revenue and uplifts and so on. So we do this, and I love this because right now we're living in a time where conversion rate and D2C brands are suffering. So you might see a trend that's going downwards, and you might even see it going downwards even after we work with you, because your ads are not working anymore and a lot of things are going out of your way. It's not going the right way. But here you can actually see that the A/B test that we are doing, they are actually pulling your revenue up, back up to where it used to be, or surpassing where it used to be. So you can at least make sure that what we are doing makes sense for your business. So that's how it works, and that's how we're reporting back. Here's one more. It's actually one of the best clients we have. We generated over $3 million in projected revenue per year. So, these guys are just killing it. They're super happy. How can we do more? So now we're going to do landing pages and other things for them as well. So that's how it is to work with us. If you're interested, obviously, you can reach out to me through email. My email is daniel@purplefy.io. You can also schedule a call on the website. There is a link to my Calendly. And if you're part of the CRO Incubator, you can also DM me directly inside of the course. I'll be happy to answer your questions. I'm super active on Twitter, on YouTube, so pretty easy to get in contact with me. Yeah, that's it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know, and hopefully we'll be able to work together in the future.